In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Pokemon Kingambit illustration collection. This thing here. So if you've been wondering what's inside, you'll find out in this video. Let's go. Okay, so there's 4 boosters and 3 promo cards inside. I will, of course, be opening all of the booster packs as well, so you can see what we get. So let's check out the promos first. Code card for anyone that wants it. And then we have the Kingambit illustration. Quite underrated, I feel. The promo card here is for the Scarlet and Violet promo set. Okay, now you do get Bishop and Pawniard from Obsidian Flames. Now these are Shattered Hollows, so they are technically promo cards that fit in the set. So if you've got an Obsidian Flames binder, these will actually go in there. Okay, so on to the boosters. So we've got 4 booster packs, and let's see how we do. Now, leave a comment below and let me know how many hits you reckon we'll get out of these 4 packs. Shrouded Fable is a bit of a difficult set sometimes, but you know, any set can be when you get a collection box, or you can have a complete home run. So let's hope that we get a complete home run. We're hoping for a Houndoom. We really want a Houndoom. First Aurora and Haxorus. So it's quite a small set. Shrouded Fable is. It's not considered the main set. Pretty slim if you're wanting to collect it. It's quite underrated, I feel, as well. First Furfrou, first Zorok, which is a rare, which is nice, and Tapu Bulu. Always a nice set to open. This is good to see Hypno in there. Reverse Academy at Night. Reverse Joltik and Pheasantipity EX. One of the EXs, there's 4 main EXs based on the Pokemon on the covers. Reverse Cufant. First Fracture and Dusk Noir. Oh, I knew we were going to get a Dusk Noir. Just knew it. Why am I putting that in a sleeve? It's not a hit. We didn't need that in a sleeve. Okay, cool. So, there we go. Now a hit from this box. But the best cards out of this are the promos, especially the Kingambit illustration. Shit's really nice. So what do you think of Shrouded Fable? Leave a comment below and let me know what you think of the set. And if you're not already subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!